Alright guys, welcome to the video. We are here, as you can see in front of you, as Islands of Adventure, and this will be my first video in the series of videos down here in Orlando for the Mardi Gras season, I'll call it. And of course, today is March the 3rd, which you'll already have seen the date. That means tomorrow is March the 4th, which is the opening of Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. But that is not the focus of this video. The focus of this video here is going to be the construction update for here at Islands of Adventure, which there's plenty of construction going on here, as you know. So we're going to check all that out, and I'll try to get you guys the best views that I can. But as of right now, though, we're going to head on in and just check some stuff out. And we are going to Mardi Gras later this evening, but that will be a separate video, so you guys have to look forward to that. And yeah, so let's head on into Islands of Adventure, and we will get on our way. Alright guys, so we're taking out some of the wait times here. Don't look too bad. It was a little crowded though. Hulk just looked pretty crowded. Forbidden Journey's 45 minutes. Hagrid's is only 75, so that's pretty darn good. Not too bad of a day, it don't look like. A little bit more crowded than what, you know, I'm usually used to, but doesn't look too bad at all. Alright guys, like I said, this video is about the construction update here at Islands of Adventure. So let's get started on that, and I'll show you guys around and just see what we can see, because it looks like there's a ton going on over at Jurassic Park. So I'm gonna be quiet for a little bit, and we'll just do some B-roll footage here. Alright guys, just wanted to give you a little update here. I did get my button and my magnet for the March, so I was glad I was able to get both this time. I missed out on the button, or I missed out on the magnet last in December. So I just wanted to film that real quick and show you that I did get my magnet and my button. You can see the little button is themed towards the moving walkway, you know, in the parking garages, which is really cool. So anyways, just wanted to show you guys that. I did take care of that, so pretty cool. Let's get back to some construction. Alright guys, before we leave Toon Lagoon here, I did want to make sure I mentioned Wimpy's is open. So it's right over here by Bill Dry's Barges entrance. So if you want to try your Wimpy burger, they are open. So still doing business, even though it's the real peak season's kind of over, but it is pretty crowded today. So anyways, just wanted to mention that the Wimpy's is going strong still, and you can come get you a Wimpy burger. Alright guys, so the only other thing really going on here in Toon Lagoon is you can see they got the walls up here. This is for Dudley Do-Right's Ripsaw Falls. That is under refurbishment right now as they continue to work on Jurassic Park. I think it probably helps that it's closed because over here towards the bridge, as we get over here, I'll show you guys, they actually have dump trucks going back and forth every now and then where they have to pause the actual walking traffic so that way they can let the dump trucks through. I might actually try to get some video of that, so I'm going to hang out for a minute and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about here before. But you can see Ripsaw Falls is closed for refurb right now. But you can see over here where they got all these people kind of hanging out right there. They every now and then a dump truck has to come through here and use it for the Jurassic Coaster construction. So pretty cool. But I might try to get some footage of that. So I'm gonna hang out for a bit and then I'll show you guys if there's anything that I can show you.
That was it? That was it.
Alright guys, so if you remember over here in the actual Jurassic Park area, you can see they're doing a lot of crane work right now. But if you remember, they had the path that split to the right to make you go through the center of the construction. That is now closed again, and it's kind of back to where it was, where you kind of just circle around. You can see the entrance to River Adventure is right over here. So yeah, just pretty much back to normal as far as the construction walls go, because they did have us going through the center of the construction not too long ago. But yeah, not too much has changed over here. The only thing that has really changed is over by Hogwarts, closer to the entrance of Hogsmeade, and that is some trees have been removed. So I'm going to go over there and show you guys that. Other than that, you can see that a lot of tree removal and a lot of construction walls. So not too much different than it was. So let's walk over there and take a look. Alright guys, so you can see this is right over here close to the entrance of Jurassic Park on the Hogsmeade side. A lot of trees removed. This has been like this for quite a few weeks now. Nothing real new, but I hadn't seen it in my video yet, so I wanted to make sure I showed you guys. But yeah, you can see here's the walkway. You got some the watering hole over here. But yep, this is quite in plain sight now, so I just wanted to make sure I showed you all that. But let's keep moving, and I don't think there's much difference in Hogsmeade, so I might not talk about much in Hogsmeade. But let's keep walking, and we'll see what we can see. Alrighty, guys, that's going to do it here for the little construction update for Jurassic Park mainly. A few other things I wanted to talk about, and that was about it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, just let me know down in the comment section, and I'll try to get back with you as soon as possible. But as far as this video, that's going to do it. And as always, you can follow me on my Instagram at Daily Theme Park Photos. You can also follow me on Twitter at Corey Mathery, same as my YouTube channel name. Or you can follow me on TikTok at Corey Says Yo if you're so inclined. Anyways, guys, like I said, that is going to do it. Hopefully you enjoyed the little construction update, and yeah, hopefully you're looking forward to some of my other Florida videos that will be coming soon. And I'll see you guys later. Have a great day.